How to install Pygame on your PC or laptop. First, what is Pygame? Pygame is a Python library used to create games and graphical applications. Now, to run Pygame, you first need Python installed on your PC, and there's one mistake many people make because of which Pygame doesn't even install properly. So let's avoid that. First, open Chrome and go to python.org, then go to Downloads and click on All Releases. One thing I'd suggest is don't always install the absolute latest version immediately, because sometimes libraries like Pygame take a little time to fully support newer releases. Going one version lower is usually safer. Now open your version page, scroll down, and download Windows Installer 64-bit. Once downloaded, double-click it. Now, make sure to enable both Use Admin Privileges when installing Python and add python.exe to path. Then choose Customize Installation, and make sure pip is selected because Pygame needs pip to install. Usually everything is already checked, so just click Next. Leave everything as default in the Advanced option, then continue with the installation. Once Python is installed, open CMD. Then type Python /version and hit Enter. If it shows a version number, Python is installed correctly. Then type pip /version. If pip also shows a version, then everything is ready. Now type pip install Pygame and press Enter. Wait a few seconds and Pygame will install. To check if it actually installed, type pip list and hit Enter. You'll see all installed packages with its version number. Now for a quick test, type python-m pygame.examples.aliens and hit Enter. This runs one of Pygame's built-in demo games. If the game opens, that means Pygame is installed and working perfectly. That's it.